As we dream, we move through the dark to the light that gets lighter as we get closer to the source, as we get closer to the little creature that lives by the source. Hello, siren. Hello. And we move from the monster to wisdom, to Athena's little O. And Athena's little O sends us drifting to the whitest of flowers. And the whitest of flowers brings us up